Okay, guys, so I just found a cat. So we were all the way down that valley and we saw the cat. So we wanted to keep tourism. He left and now he went in this little...
It's like a pipe that
Yeah.
brings water into the gully.
Yeah. And Kitty won't come out and Grace just tried to scare him.
Try to scare him out.
Yeah.
Wait, Pot, stop.
But he's not going to come closer.
Oh, it's just paint right there on the sun.
Wait. Oh, thought that was blood.
Just for a second.
Hey,
then I noticed.
wait. Oh, it takes a turn, Grace. It might...
Wait, let's go up on the road and see if we can find the other side.
Yeah. Okay. Kitty, we're going to be right back. Okay?
Wait, should we leave a camera on or something?
I'm going to be right...
Here, Xander,
Grace,
you can stay.
no, Grace, go right here. And he's going to walk. Grace, you go to the other side. To see where it goes. Okay, guys, so he came out. He's running. Kitty? Okay, Kitty?
Xander,
What?
there's no sign of another side, except for over the road, there's a different pipe.
How do you know if it's different?
Because it opens on the other side of the bridge, and it doesn't connect. It's just, if you go over there, you'll understand.
So he's like a gingerish cat. My sister's coming up to it.
It's meowing at me. I'm not sure if that's safe.
Oh,
It
he's...
sounds like Shiva when you pick her up, so I'm not gonna try. Xander,
What?
there's a freaking dog.
I know, but he's chained up. That's why she probably ran away from where her normal home is. Because she seems like she is a pet.
She's really at her. She's acting like Shiva. That does not sound safe at all, so. Yeah.
Probably her owners abuse her, probably. Wait, they might have left that for her. And then it froze.
Get frozen. It's like usually we can just like meet any cat we want, and they probably won't be
Here.
so, like Xander. She's acting like sort of like Shiva when you pick her up, but
Get her.
let's follow her.
Get her. Well, I think, because that place, no, I don't think anybody lives in there.
It's scary looking.
I know. I think her parents were probably doing cat abuse. Probably, huh?
Animal abuse, possibly,
Yeah.
but who knows?
Because she's just hissing.
Growling
Yeah.
if we get closer, but she's sort of acting like she's. Where did the dog go? Whatever. She's sort of acting.
Grace, we should go. You know why? Because what if they come out?
Oh, we're allowed to be over here, Xander.
Oh, yeah.
We just can't get into trouble, like.
Like,
Can I try to scare her out from under there?
yeah.
Should I turn on music or something, or just go over there and hiss and stuff?
You can turn on music?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant on.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Okay, Grace, we should go.
You're fine.
No, we're being mean to the cat. He wants us to leave.
Xander, this isn't really being mean. It's just, when you say mean, that's like when you whistle Sheila and lock her in the room and make a joke.
No, what's up, kitty? I can see your face clearly. She's a little chubby, I think.
If she's chubby, then that probably means she lives somewhere. I mean, she eats and stuff.
Yeah.
She's like perfectly in the middle. Like if it wasn't like an animal or something, I probably would throw something at it, but no. It's really cute. It's a kitty.
You're so cute, kidder.
Tanner, we could throw snow at it. Snowball.
Bye-bye.
Tanner. Glass. Glass. Beer bottle. Beer bottle. Beer bottle.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now what are we doing?
Let's go down the valley. We just need a...
I want the kitty. Okay, it just hit. That's not nice.
Sorry, kidder.
You're mean, kitty. Hey, Werner, I'm one of our fireworks.
Yeah, one of our fireworks. Ooh, here, poop.
I found a hammer. Okay. There's deer poop.
I know. I said that, right?
Deer poop on him.
Really? The deers must really like pooping on clothes. So, do not lay down if you're hiding from a deer. They're gonna poop on you. Oh, crap. I'm stepped on more poop.
I just slid. But I didn't step on anything.
You're in this, like, never step on bushes because there might be poop on you.
House is creepy. Like,
I know, that house is creepy. It's just been there for a long time. Let's go to the valley.
Shanna, remember that one time when we found just a deer leg?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah.
You want to see if it's down there still?
Yeah. So, last time we were here, well, a couple times ago we were here, we found a deer lake. We're going to see if it's there again.
There's a whole bunch of cat prints.
Yeah, poop. Cat
Cat
poop.
prints.
It sounds like you said cat poop. Okay, and
The video
what is this? What is this,
Oh
Grace?
my god!
What is it?
It's a cone thing.
Oh.
You know what they use?
Why is it in here? In the middle of the... Oh, it's those. Okay. Oh, wait. Grace? Cat parents came from up there. What?
There's probably more than one cat in the world.
I know.
So it could have come from up there, but if it did, it probably would have went that way.
No, probably because it was just walking by and we were steering it farther and farther away. And we're making it move farther away because we're trying to get away from us.
Probably if it was domesticated, it probably wouldn't look like that when we
No, probably because it's, like, owners abuse him. What?
Sometimes Shiva acts like that.
Because she doesn't like getting picked up. Because she is a brat cat. She's a fat cat. I know she's fat.
Just because she steals Panther's too. Because it's like, Panther stay in the same size, and she was just getting bigger and bigger. And that's not very good, because I don't want an obese cat. Even though she would be a great pillow, but I still don't want an obese cat.
And we don't want to... Because, wait, if we keep on letting her eat all of Panther's food, she could probably be the biggest fat one, the fattest cat on Earth.
Well, Xander, I don't want her to get that fat, because you know that one cat in, like, China?
Yeah.
China. Why is everything just say made in China, made in Japan.
I know why is like the shortest man.
One of my friends,
It's Chinese.
they were made in China.
What?
One of my friends were made in China.
They were born in China?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I was made in China.
They weren't.
No, I was made in Butte, Montana, and we still are in Butte, Montana.
And I was made in Portland, Oregon.
Yeah.
What the heck is just that paint line? That wasn't there before.
Wait. Grace. Oh. And that ends there. So weird view. And more weird paint, Grace. I think the paint got washed away. A bunch of it. Don't you? Like some of it wasn't dry and it got washed away. Hey, so do you know where we found the deer leg at?
Yeah, it was somewhere like, down that way. You know where that extra tail is? Because we were going to follow that tail. But then we found the deer leg and we sorted our tape out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I wonder if we'll like find... What the heck is that for? It's just a box. Good. I'm going to go check it out.
Yeah, let's go check it out. The heck? Yeah, so now we are here at the box, and I don't know what this is for.
Maybe somebody was buried here.
Yeah, let's go.
And then that one is very nothing.
I know.
When I run down, I have to...
Maybe it holds a horse. Huh. We're back here. Found a weird thing. What is this?
Oh, wow, that's not inappropriate at all.
What? What? Yes, move your leg.
That's...
No. Okay.
But I stepped on glass somewhere after. And I just hurt it. So. Okay. What?
Rick, why'd you do that? Oh, Grace, there's more messed up paint. I think people are having problems painting. So like, okay, so look, so this is their side of their paint. They're trying to paint Rudolph. Yep, that's what they draw. Here, they're gonna draw a snowman.
Rudolph, he wouldn't be gray.
Yeah, see? Okay, so no, I'm
Wait, why is there just that line?
so they're
Look, Tanner, just look at that.
look, crack. It's the crack. It's the crack.
Go in. This is a line of paint.
Yeah, that's the middle of it. And then it starts, yeah, that's the middle still.
And then I see some right here. And then here. No, that's and then
Some right here.
see, here's some more animal prints that just have that little thing. What do they do? Walk like this?
No, they're probably stepping and the
Oh, yeah,
the
it's
tip
like
is
those
dragging.
cats that just do.